ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha crown paints edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simu traseti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television, Ekeonga, Kiamamogusi.
Kasomyo mwanche mweregerero Getembe TV ritukira Jumapili chitariki 15 nemo no kwegena kwane buna kwabeire kogo chengera nabo igo kogokera emirobiro yabereke kogochera mbeo gisabwa gakete oikaboniga nabo igo kwasise niwe wetira emirobiro yege dini yabage kogochera abo ase mambia yeritukoria rero niga mono charagire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chio mugasorero ingakina akorete iro gusana ikira semesi Ekeonga erinchi kumanyinga na rariari aberiga kwanekirwa korwa imena isko yo rogongo rwagusiana nemono ritukeriria rero rituko muwaziri w'ekisemi iminsite ya Kenya Muske Julius Migosi ogamba arasetaro nemono ase skuru eri abaisike yakereria eriko chengera amatuko gose emyaka 50 nomo gesa eskuru y'abanyaroka yachagetu Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo bwenge nchenka Nyaboga Wilson Makori na togochikwatrana nere kura sense merie manyeriro kama na into ikomwerio. Mwanchi umure Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere togo chaka koru ase skuru y'abamura ya Kisii School abo ase mambia rero muwaziri w'ekisemi Muske Julius Migosi ogamba atarire skuru eyo bosyo ose anyuma atarayikerana ase omuyega we skuru y'abanyaroka yakereri eriko chengera emyaka 50 nomo gesa eskuru yachagetiwe Muske Migosi kagokwana ase skuru ya Kisii nigo agokera egetambukero gose niga agokera machibu chiskuru chagusi charigete asa matemo manena KCSE yo mwaka owita sateba amachibu ayiniga inga yo bwasioku na kwateba chiskuru chagusi chamurusirie obosoko chinga kechechiyo niga wareke wa Kisii School amotogi Muske Migosi asoko batarera nabo yoko mubori abayikirania egatia maganyabo anene mono koba ebas nabo yiga kurigereria chi nabo yikorigereria chi computer lab chile ase skuru eyo.
Our Honorable Cabinet Secretary in charge of education, your prestigious position makes you to be seen as a father across all the schools in our country, including our school. And as you all know, the role of a father in a family is to be a breadwinner for the family and ensure that a family's needs are met, right? So, this morning, as the students of Kisii School, we are asking you, sir, to please meet our needs.
Kisii School Kereri High School, Cardinal, and many other schools from Kisii did not let me down. I'm so happy to be here today because last year when I was appointed, I came here and went to Kereri High School. I had a meeting with the principals and some leaders. I told them Kisii has had a very bad reputation, and that reputation is not deserved. It was a reputation where every person in the country used to say that Kisii's or schools in Kisii wanaiba mitihani. So nikakuja nikaongea na principals. Nikawaambia tafadhali mwaka huu watoto wetu niko sure kwamba kama mwafundisha hawatahitaji kusaidiwa kufanya exams. And for the first time in the history of Kenya, the exams of 2024, there has not been a single complaint.
Mwanche mwaregereria umurai wensi ya Kenya umuske Daktari William Samoei Ruto niga motogire umubui bw'Onyakerogo ase kiombekere kia African Union Commission umuske Muhammad Ali Yusuf korwa ense gosomo iborwa wenseri ya Djibouti umurai wense niga yakwana yegase gekaro n'abanya committee osabara ikorwa Chinsa cha Africa abayigo barabanya committee ase kiombekere yokorigereria ogochenchi kwerire imeyense oseime ya Africa ngima chinga kechecho nigo murai wense aerere bitambokero bire komite yabekerero chikwena kebuna ngokora bare umuchando bwo chencha kwerire asorogongo rwa Africa.
I take this opportunity to heartily congratulate Musa Ali for his election as the new chairperson of the Africa Union Commission, our outgoing chairperson, and his Excellency Joseka Sako right here with us, Africa Union Commissioner for Agriculture, Rural Development, Blue Economy and Sustainable Development, for their exceptional leadership in advancing Africa's climate agenda and strengthening this committee's work. COP30 in Brazil is a pivotal moment to push for ambitious global climate action. The global climate for cooperation and solidarity is weakening in the face of multiplicity of policy changes in the West and nationalist policies that threaten trade and investment flows, as well as escalating trade tariffs that impact Africa's economic and environmental priorities. The withdrawal of the United States from the Paris Agreement and the rise of far-right leadership in key economies could prove a major obstacle to climate cooperation and financing. Moreover, 2024 was the first year the world breached the 1.5 degrees Celsius threshold. Na umurai wekia makerikia waipa umuske Steven Karonso Msiaka ni kabona atebire umurai Onyakerogo moya wekia makerikia AUC umuske Muhammad ni gabu ategetire kenene anene muno kwana kyabona chisegi chirichire asensere ya DRC nkoera chirasa bono umuske Karonso chinga kechecho agikereti umurai wense ya Kenya umuske Daktari William Samoei Ruto ase okoreta umurobiri moya bobo chenosha na koteba nigo murobero yo otarayikerana na nigo obwate amakongu ao asabono abananchi bagendeta gwetara amakongu insi yo murobero yo.
Kuna shida kwa inji ya Kongo. Chairman wa AU ajua kuna kazi ngumu sana kupigania na kuleta hali ya tawala when this is supposed to be the unfortunately the same heads of state met there several years ago and declared the silencing of the guns. Silencing of the guns. Badala ya guns kuisha Afrika, bado milio bunduki, risasi na watu kuuana. Mambo haya matibabu, Mheshimiwa Senator Kavindu, of course is part of ile takeover ya JKIA. The same andani ndio ameingia SHA na SHI na SHIF. Same huyo mwendi ambaye anatakikana Marekani ashtakiwe ndio ameingia mambo yale. A lot of this money inaenda. Mustaajabu.
Na maega yomuskiraira kubuwa asobunyakĩrogo bw'ekĩũmbĩkĩria kia African Union Commission igabono igatia barai barure ebirengerero byabo igoro yokubuwa kumuskiraira sabange babo bagokera igitambukire ekyo na kumuboria ache atoria ensi ya Kenya gosaba bwatisi erigotoria ensi yaitu ya Kenya.
Kupoteza kwa Raila hii kitu kwa tumeona mwanzo. Kwa nini serikali ya Kenya tumepesa pesa mingi kwa kisha kwamba Raila ameenda ili to settle political score Kenya?
Hii kulose kwa Raila ni kitu tumezoea. So it is not a surprise to us. And then there is a narrative that people are trying to say that Ruto has stood with Raila. He has only stood with Raila for a UC seat. That is the only thing he has stood with Raila. And what about those people who have been with him all along? What about Kalonzo?
So now, team come back, let him settle down. Ruto, we want you to fix out Kenya. You concentrated outside with the AUC. Now you are here. The abductors, we want to know where are the kids. We want to know how is the economy. We want to know how is the corruption is going to be sorted out.
As you come back, kindly know that we will give you utaenda kupumzika vizuri kama ule ameenda retirement, and that's all that we can wish you for. For now, don't come back. Ruto has supported you, and 2027 hatutaki vita, tunataka amani na Ruto 10 bila break.
We should go and welcome with large number of people. Correct. Because the whole of Africa, imagine Raila was among the 3. That's the first achievement. Alafu akawa number 2. Tunasema sasa hii baba ni namba ngapi? Number 2. That was a chance presented to us. We submitted our best, our finest, who is Raila. He has lost. He must come back to the country. He's our son.
Majenzi, chukweni kura.
Mwancho muregerera wikiraga unongo chwikire umwere w'Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yobwenye korenda yomona yanda mange ninchigo ko yaretera ase Chinsa 14 asenchira yobwenye nchengatire ni Nyaboga guso ni makori ne ato bwatirana nere kro asense meri yebimanyererio.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomanya seyeka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya cha mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati bwekariguri iriya bantabatinu bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuyigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakiresi mbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Chuo cha anuai cha Rirage Technical na Vocational College sasa kinawatangazia usajili wa mwezi Januari au January intake inatoa mafunzo katika vitengo kadhaa kama vile automotive engineering, electrical engineering power option ambapo unahitimu kwa viwango vya diploma au certificate. Katika electrical installation pia wana vitengo zaidi katika kosi hii. Mechanical engineering ambapo ufunzo wa production, wiring, fabrication na crafts na zingine nyingi. Hairdressing na beauty au ususi na utunzi wa nywele na ngozi, fashion and design. Ufunzo kuunda nguo za kisasa. Pia ujifunza embroidery, tie and dye, print, party and